You probably clicked on this video because you wanted to learn how to add sounds to your script. So that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you today. I'm going to be teaching you how to just add a sound and how you can put them into your scripts and use them in your game. So first up is adding the sound to your game. So what I can do just easily is going to the toolbox and clicking, it should be in models, and then I just click here and then audio. Here you can find all the audio. I just search collect because that's a good sound. And first up, that's the sound I'm gonna be using. So you're gonna click insert to insert this to insert the sound. Else, if you want to just copy the ID, you can click on this and click down here and copy as the ID. But that's not what we're going to be doing. I'm just gonna insert it. So we got our sound here. We can put it wherever we want. We just need to remember where it is. I'm just gonna keep it at the workspace because it works. So inside of here, if we click collect, there'll be a lot of things like the this and the sound ID. If we copy the asset ID, we would have pasted into here and the sound would play here. So you got the sound here. So the roll of max distance and the minimum max distance should be pretty easy to understand, but that's basically like how far you have to be before you can hear the sound. This only works if you have it inserted to a part, so it actually has a distance to where it wants to be. So if we wanted to click the loop, it of course do what it says. It will loop around and round until you stop it. And the playing is to basically um, yeah, play the sound when the game is clicked, or you can use it to when you're doing a script, you can do playing. Volume, pretty easy, just how loud it is. So now I'm going to make a script that plays the sound if you click a part or if you touch a part. So I'm just going to be making a part here, and inside of this part I'm going to insert a script. Inside of the script, we first want to locate the sound. You can put the sound inside of the script, just make it easier, but I'm gonna insert it. I'm just gonna keep it here. So we're gonna do a local function. We're doing we're making a function. So if we do um if we just do such play sound or this, then it will play, or then it will do whatever is in here. So if we do local sound equals that's not workspace dot collect. Now we do sound dot play. So this will play the sound that's in here. So now we do function on untouched. We do here, and then let's find the player. So now we have this. Inside of here, we want to do local H. It stands for humanoid. So humanoid equals player dot parent equals find first child. And so if H, then so what this will do is it's locating the human. Oh, I forgot to type humanoid. So what it's doing is it's trying to find if this thing that touched the thing that touched the part, if that has a humanoid, then whatever is in here will do. So we're just gonna do play sound. So this will do this function, and in this function, this is what's happening. So we're gonna do right now. This is not really doing anything because we haven't set the untouched to anything. So we're gonna do script parent. That is the part. dot touched connect function. No, not function actually. Connect on whoops on touched. So now if we go in here and we play, then we should be enabled to go in here and sound play. But you hear it's overlapping with itself. So how we can stop that from doing it is we can do if local sound if local wait, I cannot do that. Local sound goes workspace dot collect. So we're just finding this collect sound. And then we do if if not sound dot is playing, then play the sound. That's basically what it will do. Oh, I typed that wrong. Need to add this inside of here. So now it should only play once and it will play until it's done. So if go in here, boom, and now you have that. So yeah, that's basically how you can add it. So you basically just do a local function, and then whenever you want to play the sound, you just have to type whatever you call the function. So now I'm going to be teaching you how to stop play and stop a sound in a setting like a music cue. So I made a little block here. It doesn't really do anything yet because we have to script it, but this is it for now. So let's inside of the text button. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna add a local script. Local scripts I usually use for text button. It does so. Local scripts only work for one player, and the script and a normal script works for the whole server. So I'm gonna just call this music script. I cannot. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna do local text button equals script.parent. So we have to find this one, and then let's also find the music, the background music. I'm gonna put this inside of here too. So I'm gonna do local sound equals text button dot background. Oh, whoops. Background music, and then we need to add. So now I'm going to add the text right here. The on and off text. So I'm gonna do local on slash no on off text on off equals text button dot text label. Yeah, so this will find this. So now we need to do when this button is clicked, we need to do something. So let's do text button dot the mouse button when clicked. We connect a function. Whoops. Here. So inside of this function, inside of here, we'll do whatever happens when this button is clicked. So let's just start by doing if on slash off dot text equals off equals on, then it will then on off dot text text equals to off. You might wondering why I typed equals and not just equals. I can't really explain that. I just know that this is what you typed when you do it in a if. So and then let's do else on off dot text equals on. So I'm just gonna show you this, and it should do this. So on off. The sound is still playing, as you hear. So I need to actually make it do something. So let me just do. Again, we're gonna add the function that we did before. So local function sound play. I'm just gonna call it. You can call it what you want. Doesn't matter. Inside of here, we're gonna do sound. Uh, you actually don't need to do this. I just realized. You can just do sound equals stop, and then sound equals play. And if we do this now, we should get. Oh yeah, I think I know why. Because I set it to start playing. Then let's do. And then let's do. It's gonna do. Right. Turn on looping. Right. Yeah. Right. Here. There we go. Now it's playing. Now it's stopped. Now it's playing. And it's looping. And now it's stopped. And you hear. So if you heard that it doesn't play in the start, that's pretty simple to add. That's just doing sound dot play. So now it should play when the game starts. Alright. Off, on. Okay, so that's how to add sound by a script like this. So that's all for this video. If you want to see more tutorials and stuff like that, please consider subscribing or maybe just liking the video. Goodbye.